She said they're gonna be flying around right now.
Watch, they're gonna be flying right now.
Hi guys, this is Natalie from Simply Natalie. Welcome to my channel, and in this episode I'm gonna share with you how to make a grilled vegetables and shrimp kebabs. So let's get started. We're gonna need green zucchini, yellow squash, bell pepper, mushrooms, raw shrimps, all the seasons, avocado oil, garlic, and lime juice. In a big bowl, we're gonna add raw shrimps, seasoned with the mushroom seasoning, chili powder, ground cumin, cayenne, and garlic seasoning.
Not too much cream.
Then we're gonna squeeze lime juice, crushed garlic, avocado oil. Toss this, and we're gonna put this on the skewers. Make sure your skewers sit in the water enough. So skewer shrimps, and it's ready to grill. Next we're gonna do vegetables. I'm gonna slice green zucchini, yellow squash, about medium size, mushroom, bell peppers, red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, red onion. So we're gonna slice all vegetables except mushrooms. Mushrooms, we're gonna use whole mushrooms. So now we're gonna season with cayenne seasoning, chili lime seasoning, mushroom seasoning, and garlic powder. Now we're gonna mix everything and skewer the vegetables. And there we go, we have vegetable kebab and shrimp kebab ready to grill. So all I'm gonna do, just drizzle with avocado oil, and we're gonna grill. And it's ready. Now we're gonna grill vegetable. Now we're gonna who's here?
She said they're gonna be flying around right now.
Watch, they're gonna be flying right now.